Hey guys, welcome back to Strong Fencing. Excuse the wind, a little bit windy. Always seems to be windy when I'm out here. This is a big commercial job we've just done, all around there. Security gate, security fencing, all up there, all up there, all up there. 200 or 300 meters, 5 gates, whole bunch of stuff. So this one here is a double gate, and we upgraded the motors on this. We put the Ursus motors in here. These are heavy duty hydraulic motors that are designed for heavy gates, or anytime you've got like a situation where you've got like a rising hinge, which is what this thing over here is. So as you can see, from there to there it's rising up about 200. We've of course allow for that, but you've got this extra, the combo, you've got a sloped bottom. So you not only do you have a sloped bottom on the gate, but you also have a rising hinge, which means the gate is actually pointing downhill, so that when it comes around here, it's got to actually go up twice as much, because it's got to overcome that situation there and that situation there. So what we've done is built this heavy duty rising hinge just in my own design. That's what that looks like, and just made out of 10mm steel plate, and these are weld-on gudgeons here, so that's adjustable, so you can adjust it in and out. That helps you with your hinge gap, and it's like a heavy duty plate, and we just use these strap hinges. There's a few different ways to do it. These 20mm strap hinges are pretty cool. They've been screwed all the way through to the other side, so there's no way that's coming out. And also the good thing about this is it can actually pivot a little bit. It can go back and forward like this, so as it comes up, it's actually turning the whole hinge back, and trust me, that's what it does, because you'll see that when I open it, it will actually start rising up as it comes around. So let's have a look what that looks like. Just back up a little bit. So there you go, it's starting to rise up. I'll shoot it from the other side when it comes around. You'll be able to have a look. So there you go, it's coming up, it's dodging the ground there. So that's what that one looks like. Excuse the photography. So that one comes up, so have a look at that rise there. See how the top and bottom's different? So this hinge is actually set out, which is what creates the offset. So not only is this part here sticking out, but this part here is actually sticking way back out here too. So you can just see, I'm sure there's some equation to work out how to do it, but one thing you have to watch out for is this top bit hitting the top post. You have to watch that. So we actually mounted the hinge on the top rail, not the middle rail, or else we probably would have hit up there. But that's what that one looks like. Let's have another look at it. Hopefully don't get run over by a car. So that's what that looks like coming down. So this is a stepped slope bottom gate with one rising hinge. You can see that it's coming down. These motors can set to 100%, and they've got a special control unit. It's this City 1 control unit that runs that. So that's what it looks like, completed. Thought it worked out pretty tidy. We had to run the cable underneath, obviously, for this one. This is how we handled the cable. It's this junction box here, and these top hinges. See how I've actually put the whole entire thing through with 50mm bolts. So I've done that for both of them, and down this bottom I actually put a flat plate, because this is aluminium, this gate. You know, you can only do up the bolts so tight, so I really wanted to make sure that it was tight enough. And these are actually bolted through two different ways, through the front and through the side. See, that one's got a side bolt. It's It's also got bolts around the front. This one actually, in order to get what I wanted, I actually needed to extend the plate out past. The other one I didn't. So that's a rundown on a sloped bottom, stepped security gate with a rising hinge. If you've got any complicated projects, give us a ring. We're always pretty good at trying to work out how things can be done better and stronger and faster. So give us a call, let us know what you need and we can sort you out. That's sales@strongfencing.co.nz, or you can get us at strongfencing.co.nz. Have a good day.